A CBSE affiliated school is led by a school principal in all matters related to his/her school. If you are new CBSE school principal, you may have many queries about roles and responsibilities of school principal. Friends, I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, educational leader and educational speaker. Today, I will discuss about professional roles and responsibilities of a CBSE school principal. Friends, if you are a teacher, vice principal, and aspiring to become principal, it is very compulsory to understand roles and responsibilities of CBSE school principal to become a successful in this profession. A school that is known for its quality, joyful classroom learning and standard of education definitely has a focused, committed and dynamic school principal who knows how to handle anticipated situation as well as who has resilience to handle unanticipated situation with the resources at his or her disposal. Recently, CBSE has released Handbook for a Principal, which has assigned many roles and responsibility to its principal. It is divided into three categories. First, administrative role. Second, pedagogical roles. Third, financial role. Today, I will discuss these roles one by one. Role 1. Principal will be the ex officio member secretary of school management committee. Principal has to function as the head of the office of the school under his charge and carry out all academic and administrative duties required by a head of educational institute. Principal have to ensure that all the provisions of affiliation and examination bylaws and all the directive given by CBSE from time to time are strictly complied with. Principal will be the drawing and dispersing officer of all the employees of the school. However, in case of an unaided school, he may perform only such function specified by society. Principal will be responsible for the proper maintenance of accounts of the school, school records, service books of teacher, and such registers, returns, and statistics as specified by society and board. Principal will handle official correspondence relating to the school and furnish within the specified time and date the returns and information required by state government or central government or board. Principal will make purchase of stores and other material required for the school in accordance with rules governing such purchases and enter all such store in the stock register and shall scrutinize the bill and make payment. Principal have to conduct physical verification of school property and stock at least once in a year and ensure the maintenance of stock register neatly and accurately. Principal is responsible for proper utilization of student fund. Principal should make satisfactory arrangement for the supply and good drinking water and provide other facilities for people and ensure that school building, furnitures, office equipments, laboratories, playground, school garden and other properties are properly and carefully maintained. Principal have to supervise, guide and control the work of teaching and non-teaching staff of the school. Principal will be in charge of admission in the school, preparation of school timetable, allocation of duties, and teaching load to teachers, and shall provide necessary facilities to teachers for the discharge of duties and conduct of school examination in accordance with the instruction issued by the government and board from time to time. Principal has to plan the year's academic work in advance in consultation with his her colleague and hold staff meeting at least once in a month, review the work done during the month and assess the progress of student. Principal should promote the initiative of teacher to promote their professional growth and actively encourage, motivate their participation in courses designed for in-service education. Principal should supervise classroom teaching and secure cooperation and coordination among teachers of same subject area as well as inter-subject coordination. Principal should arrange special remedial teaching of the children belonging to weaker section of society in the community. Principal should arrange informal and non-classroom teaching also. Principal should plan regular timetable for checking of student written work, home assignment and ensure that assessment and corrections are carried out timely and effectively. Principal should make necessary arrangement for organizing special instructions for the pupil according to their needs. Principal should organize and conduct various co-curricular activities through the house system or in such other effective ways as he or she may think fit. Principal should develop and organize the library resources and reading facility in the school and ensure that students and teachers have access to and use of books and journals of established values and usefulness. Principal should send regularly the progress report of the student to their parents or guardians. Principal should promote the physical well-being of the student, ensure a high standard of healthy habits and arrange periodical medical examination and send medical report to parents and guardians. Principal should devote at least one period per day teaching of student. Principal should be responsible for sending teacher for evaluation of answer script in respect of the board examination and other duties related to academics, training and conduct of examination as per requirement of the board from time to time. Principal shall not refuse any duty assigned to him by board in connection with the conduct of examination, evaluation of answer script, result processing and other activities. The principal shall act as center superintendent whenever and wherever he is appointed by board and shall not delegate his authority, duties and responsibility to any other person in any circumstances. If you are ready to perform these roles, practice it many times. A day will come, you will become very successful principal. Like and subscribe my channel to get latest educational updates.